It's pretty grim. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again. I'm quite excited about this one because in these series of videos we'll be tackling the patio and fully replacing it. So hopefully you'll enjoy and find the process, and it will help you in the future if you're planning on doing the same. In this particular video though, we are just going to be removing and prepping the area ready for the sub base. So as you can see, we have some concrete slabs. These are 450 mil, so 45 centimeters by 45 centimeters, which we need to uplift ready to put the hardcore down. But we've also got to amend this manhole, so as you can see I've bought a new recessed manhole cover to go as well. So as you can see, I've been quite fortunate. These ones are coming up quite easy because they're not cemented in, they're just laid on top sand and a bit of soil. So I do recommend, if yours are concreted in, you're probably going to need some kind of either sledgehammer or impact driver to really get these up, but I'm quite fortunate they're coming up quite easy. Get these ones uplifted, then we'll level out the sand, so we can put our sub base directly on top, and that should make it a lot easier to get leveled out. So we'll go from there. As you can see, we've now removed all the slabs. I'm not going to remove that section yet because it's quite a large drop, so I'll wait. But what I'm going to do now is start leveling out what is here, ready for this sub base to go on top, and hopefully the sub base should bring us up to this level. And then what I'll have to start doing is channeling out this area ready for the sleepers to go in. I'll have to put the bed in, so a concrete sub base, sleepers on top so it gets good drainage, and then the slabs, the patio slabs go on top. So we'll just get it leveled out now, and I think I'll leave it for today. home. Hello, wife. Hello. How are you? Gonna have a look down here, dear.
No, I'm alright then.
Couple of dragons down there.
Yeah. Your dragon.